Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and this is a video done now followed by my haul, which was pre-recorded. I'm in training this week, so it's just been a busy week. But anyway, I just wanted to hop in real quick because My Favorite Things is also having a retirement sale, and it's 50% off, and I'll show you the graphic now. How long does it last? I don't know. I haven't really been checking my crafty stuff, can you imagine? So I just wanted to let you guys know, but it doesn't look like it's a lot, because the first day I looked and then now I see some of the things I saw the first day I don't see there anymore. But this haul is for their new release, and also continuing my little sidebar before I start the haul. Yesterday I showed you in my MFT Stamps Haul the inkstand. And I have one here for the standard style of ink, which is like these sizes. This is 4 different companies, and they all hold in here. And you can put the cover over here to then ink blend and, just to hold them nicely. And they're magnetized. I don't know if you watched the last video. I will link it here because this in the beginning of the last video. Reason I'm bringing it up. In yesterday's video, when I went to link the item so you could go look at it, it was sold out. Well, earlier I went there. This is for the distress ink size, and I will link all 3 styles below. It's back in stock already. Yay! So if you are interested in it, not because you saw it sold out yesterday means that it's completely gone. I was there earlier and I saw that it was still there, okay? All 3 styles. Standard, distress ink, and then the small one with the 4 for the mini distress. And the reason I was there, one of my viewers, she took advantage of the MFT Stamps 4th of July sale. And I showed you guys yesterday that I got the ladybugs. Well, she got the ladybug die set, and she's like, it's really nice, along with the bushel and a peck. So I went there just to take a little look, and then I searched for, the inkstand, and yes, it was back in stock. So I think I may get the ladybug die and the little inkstand holder for the 4 mini cube inks. I keep calling it mini distress, but it holds all those brands of cube inks, whether it's Altenew, Gina K, My Favorite Things, Pink Fresh Studio, Distress Ink, all the little mini cubes. I think are they 1 by 1 or 2 by 2? I'm not exactly sure about the size, but they're the little cube inks. Anyway, and lastly, there have been some comments, and if you see that I don't respond to your comment at all, because I do read all my comments, sometimes I can't respond. I'll try to respond and nothing is happening. It's spam, and the spam started up again. And there was one person I commented to. She wanted to know about the Colorado Crafts Christmas present stamp set. I responded yesterday. I was responding something else. I see no response. I responded again. I look back in comments. I still see as if I never answered her. So just don't think that I'm ignoring you. Sometimes I'll even answer you in another video that you commented on if I can't respond in that one. Just know there's a little spam issue, and I caught one earlier, so it may block again, all right? Anyway, after that bit of housekeeping, let's go into the haul. Let's get started. The cuteness from My Favorite Things, MFT Stamps. I'm here today with a My Favorite Things haul from MFT Stamps. Yes, and when I opened up my package, I got this wonderful card from them. Thank you for 15 years. And I also got this cute little pin. So normally they'll send, a little jelly bean, but it do have beautiful packaging though. It comes in this beautiful pink wrap and everything. But isn't this nice? 15 years at MFT, comes in a little baggie. I put it back in my little bag. I think that's adorable. And then this. Now this is a nice card base. Look at this. So it has a note in here. That's the whole staff. Cute. But I like how they did this because I can cut this and then use this again and put something here, like a sentiment or an image, and use this background. This is gorgeous, so I will use it for something. definitely. But congratulations on 15 years, MFT Stamps. You guys are fabulous. So they had a new release, and it's a cutie. Some of their prices still are a little bit like, I guess there is a little price increase, $1, $2, and then in some cases it's like, I don't know where the price went. From 30 something dollars to 50 something dollars for a die set, coordinating die set. No, but you know, but I still love their stuff. So this time I was shopping smart then. I was using my Afterpay, because you guys know I love my Afterpay. The stencils, that's what got me. This is the Watercolor Wash Square Stencil. Fabulous, fabulous examples. And they have some of the most talented, wide variety of design team members. Sometimes I just look at the examples and I'm like, oh, okay. And it touches everything. Very smart, actually. Watercolor Wash Rectangle. You can tell I love this watercolor wash. Fabulous examples. And Watercolor Wash Freeform. So the previous month or the month before that, they had the 6x6 of just this edge. And then a designer had made an image encapsulating this on a solid background. So did all this ink blended in here, or watercoloring, I think it was ink blending, and then everybody was asking, how did you create it? And what she did, she had to keep turning the outside edges to form the shape. So now they were like, well, we can do that too for you guys, because a few folks saw the example and tried to do it themselves and they couldn't recreate it. And it was a lot of masking and all this stuff, because I am part of the My Favorite Things Facebook group too. So you guys can join in on the fun. You know, that's where you learn a lot of things too. So cute, cute, cute. But I'm glad they made this. I bought all three, as you can tell. That's how impressed I was by that person. I also got the Sassy Pants Birthday Greetings Set 3. Cute. So this one is, may your birthday be filled with alcohol and bad decisions. Haha. Let's be friends till we're old and bonkers. Already there. Happy birthday from one fabulous chick to another. Now this little sentiment right here, that's me and my bestie. Because she always like, hey chick. So I can definitely send this one. Happy birthday from one fabulous chick to another. That's just too cute. In a zombie apocalypse, I would kill you last. Yes, I do watch The Walking Dead. Not lately. It used to be good years before. No, I didn't say that. Yes, I did. If you watch The Walking Dead, then you'd be like, oh yeah, I know what she's talking about. But that's cute. If I had I'm the only one that loves The Walking Dead, so everybody else wouldn't get this joke, but I get that one. Happy 29th birthday from your 110-pound friend. Oh, love that too. I love this. I love this. So cute. Get wild until about 9 p.m. Alrighty, guys. So you understand what this is. That is so cute in the new release. I didn't get much, but I did get a few things. So here we have Happy Birthday Stamp and Die Set. And then also, if you want, Happy Birthday. That was the freebie. Yeah. And I believe this is... Oh, I don't even remember how much it costs. There is a figure with it, because they'll have it for free for a while, and then they'll sell it if you do want to buy it by itself later on. But this, I believe, is the same. I believe it's the same size. I believe it's the same size. So you could do stamp, heat emboss, cut it out, or die cut it. This is the way I normally go, but you know. Options. Love it, love it, love it. This is for somebody, if you want to heat emboss, if you don't have a lot of foil cardstock and you want to get into the foil cardstock thing, that could be like heat emboss to have that look of the, like foil. Super cute. Next up, I had to get this. And hey, Gina, if you're watching, this was the girl I was telling you about, the roller skate girl. Just roll with it. And her channel is Gina Loves to Craft. So, we were talking about the hauls, because she's been going to scrapbook.com as much as I have, and we comment on each other's videos. But hey, look at that haul, Suzanne. Oh wow. And then I'd be like, yeah, I'm like, did you see it, MFT? She's like, yeah. And then so I was telling her I had to get this little roller skate girl. She's just way too cute. Way too cute. Another year older. When I'm with you, I'm ready for anything. Let the good times roll. Come on. That is just adorable. Too cute. Too cute. Already seen that on a slimline. You know, and I bought that Trinity stamp indoor set with the kitchen. Have I used that yet? I'm still outside. I'm still doing scene building outside. I'd like to do some scene building inside. One of these days. And then also in the new release, they had this. Cute. From, what's her name? Is it Rachel? I think it's Rachel Ann Miller. Beautiful Birthday Girl. This adorable. They had some fabulous samples of this. Isn't she cute? She's holding the little teddy bear and her face, and it reminds me of, I don't know what it reminds me of, like a vintage doll, kind of like a Raggedy Ann, but not Raggedy Ann. You know what I'm saying? Super duper 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 cute. And it's birthdays again, sending sweet birthday wishes to the beautiful birthday girl. This would be cute for a little girl card too. Of all the things that happened on this day, you're the best. Oh, that's great. So one could be stamped on the outside, and then on the inside, that could be the sentiment. Yep, not a bad price point, even with the price increase. And that's the coordinating die. So I only got these two little, notice how my stamps and dies all of a sudden got very small. But what I did get, and I just got my alphabet set from scrapbook.com. The 6, but this, I just couldn't resist it. It was just too cute. All the examples, and I wasn't going to do it, and I kept on going back to the page and looking at it, and I would go off, and then I'd look at somebody else's example, like they would put this with this, and I was just like, oh my gosh, that's stitching, and it's just so cute. Oh, love it, love it, love it. 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch, super duper duper cute. The Y, the most 1 inch. Still 1/2 inch. Cute, 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 cute. And all the examples. And then somebody did this, I think, in rainbow colors. Each letter was a different color of the rainbow. Oh, come on. Then they had the matching numbers, and yeah, I fell for it. So I didn't get any other stamp and die set, but I got this. But this is like an all year round, all the time. Too cute. Too cute. It's about the same thing. 5/8 of an inch. Anywhere between 1/2 inch and 5/8 of an inch. And the same height. A little bit taller than the letters. Some of the taller letters it fits, some of the shorter ones, but this is really nice. This is called, hello, in, it would be nice to tell you what it's called, right? In Stitches Numbers, In Stitches Lowercase Alphabet. So I bet you there's an In Stitches Uppercase. Will I get that? No, I think I like the examples with this. I don't think I'll get the uppercase, but I do like these two. Alrighty, crafters, that's it. My little short little haul from my favorite things. Love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. These stencils. Oh, super, 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 super cute. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.